Understanding Tire Tread Analysis, a guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our video on understanding tire tread analysis. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that combines elements of safety, engineering, and even a bit of detective work. Whether you're a car enthusiast, studying automotive engineering, or just curious, this video will shed light on the importance of tire treads and how analyzing them can tell us a lot about our vehicles and driving habits. Tire tread refers to the rubber on the tire's circumference that makes contact with the road. It's not just a random pattern. It's a carefully designed feature that provides the traction needed for your vehicle to move, turn, and stop effectively. Tread patterns vary depending on the tire's purpose, whether for wet weather, off-roading, or regular highway use. The depth and condition of the tread can significantly affect a vehicle's safety and performance. Tire tread analysis involves examining the wear patterns on a tire to gain insights into its condition and performance. This analysis can reveal alignment issues. Uneven wear might suggest problems with the wheel alignment. Inflation problems. Over or under inflation leads to specific wear patterns. Driving habits. Heavy braking or fast acceleration can also affect tread wear. Potential safety concerns. Identifying when a tire is no longer safe to use. Understanding these aspects can help ensure your vehicle is safe, efficient, and performing at its best. Conducting a basic tire tread analysis is something every driver can do. You'll need a tread depth gauge, a simple tool to measure tread depth. Knowledge of tread wear indicators, small raised bars within the tread grooves that show when tires need replacing. An eye for wear patterns. Look for areas of the tire that seem more worn down than others. Regular checks can help you spot issues early, potentially saving you from costly repairs or unsafe driving conditions. Regular tire maintenance is crucial for prolonging the life of your tires and maintaining vehicle safety. This includes regular tire rotation. This helps ensure even wear across all tires. Keeping tires properly inflated. Check your vehicle's manual for the recommended pressure. Visual inspections. Regularly look for any signs of damage or unusual wear patterns. Maintaining your tires can lead to better fuel efficiency, improved handling, and reduced risk of tire-related accidents. We hope this video has illuminated the world of tire tread analysis for you. Remember, taking a few minutes to check your tires regularly can make a significant difference in how your vehicle performs and keeps you safe on the road. Thank you for watching, and drive safely. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos. See you next time.